Are you aware of the importance of a clean label? Looking for a supplement manufacturer that is an expert in clean manufacturing? At Pure NSM, we are experts in manufacturing without synthetic manufacturing aids. You see, usually capsules contain at least one of the following undesirable ingredients: magnesium stearate, rice extracts that can contain seed oils, or Carrageenan. Not at Pure NSM. Our capsules are pristine. Imagine your customers reading a clean label without those worrisome ingredients. You are removing doubt at the point of purchase. Increase your sales by raising the standard of your brand with clean labels. You shouldn't have to worry about what your CMO is putting in your products behind your back. We at PureNSM offer a $10,000 guarantee to never use synthetic additives like magnesium stearate behind your back. In addition to our clean products, we also offer them in a variety of mediums, including capsules, tablets, stick packs, blisters, liposomal and nano, and liquids of all kinds. Team up with PureNSM and make sure your brand is a success.